Sitting down on the floor with the knee straight and then bring the toe towards your body. Sitting on the floor, knee straight and then bring the toe towards your body. Push your knee down to the floor to make sure your leg is straight and keep activating those muscles for the entire stretch. Breathe deeply. Are you feeling stretch on the gastrocnemius? If you are not sure where the muscle is located, take a look at the screen to double check. Your knee straight. Keep actively bring your toes towards your body. Is one side easier to engage comparing to the other side? Is one side tighter than the other side? Keep observing what you feel in the gastrocnemius. Breathe deeply. If you feel release on somewhere else in your body, take a mental note. You can slowly come out from the pose. Alright, recording time. Write down what you discovered from the stretch on your body map. Gastrocnemius is on a body map lower body 2. First, write today's date. Second, place a check mark in the right and/or left box. Which side was tighter? Did you feel the muscle release? Was it easy to engage the muscle? Third, use the note section if you felt release in anywhere else in your body, and if you learned anything new about your body.